To disable Talkback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, as you can see right here, I don't have Talkback on, but I will show you how to disable it. First of all, you will need to understand that pressing on something, so if for example we want to access our settings, we'll need to click on the settings button once, then quickly double tap on it to access the settings. After that, we can navigate to the bottom and click on accessibility the same way as we did on settings, and then again repeat this for a talkback right here. And now you will find the switch. You will need to do the same thing until the talkback is off. And now I will show you how to actually disable it right now without me talking over it, because the process with talkback is really hard to record. So now it's on.
Talkback on. Finish tutorial. Finished root. Finish. Don't. Talkback. Talkback. Turn off. Talkback off.
And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.